What's going on, folks? So I did not think that I would be making this video again, or one like it, but yep, you see it. We got some more snow. I'm fed up at this point, and so are my plants. Man, every single bog covered in snow. All you see is plant tags and phyllodia sticking up, no pictures. Man, I can't even complete my projects that I have going. And excuse my yard because got so much stuff going on, I just haven't cleaned up. But yeah, the Florida boys got covered up in snow. I bet they didn't think they were bargaining for that being shipped to North Carolina. All of these bogs. And most people think that Sarracenia and Venus flytraps are tropical plants. They're not. These are temperate plants, so a little snow ain't stopping no show. They're perfectly fine with it. The snow actually insulates them from all of the freezing wind and all of that good stuff. It's my B52 bog. All of them completely covered. I've got Sarracenia seedlings in here. Look. They are just as winter hardy as their parents, as the adult plants. They're perfectly fine. Somewhere under there are Sarracenia seeds. Same with this one. Some seeds in there. There's a couple sundews in there. Here's the water tray. Water table, whatever you want to call it. But yep. Everything is covered. They do have a little bit of water in the water trays. The funny thing is, we got snow, but it's not too terribly cold today. Like typically my fingers are freezing and all of that good stuff, but it's not that bad right now. There's fly traps in here too. Got the perps. I know the plants are fed up though, because I am fed up. I'm tired. No more snow. So I actually covered the bog garden up with some plastic last week because we had a ton of rain coming. And I didn't want it to take on too much water since we are not yet in active growth. Spring has not sprung here. So it didn't get any snow. And that's simply because I covered it up last week to stop it from getting rained on. And then we had some really cold temperatures coming, so I left it covered, and then boom, here comes some snow. So I'm glad it's still covered. And then, man, as you can see, I still have repots to do. This pot needs to be repotted. A couple of those back there. I literally have plants everywhere. These need to be repotted, and they're perfectly fine sitting outside of water trays. Everything that's in round pots is getting repotted. But yeah, this is everything I got going on. I really can't get any work done today because I'm not about to freeze my rear end off. This is what I'm really working on right now. 275 gallon IBC tote. I came out here on the first snow day and ran this gutter going down the backside because I'm going to funnel that gutter into that IBC tote using 2-inch PVC. I've got this funnel right here that will catch the water, but of course I use window screen for everything. That'll stop debris from getting down into the pipe. There's my ladder. I even left the ladder out. It's just too cold last night to clean up. But yeah, got that gutter hung yesterday, which wasn't that bad doing it by myself. But I'm gonna take y'all around and see what the front yard plants are looking like since we showed the backyard plants some attention. So nothing too serious. Anybody that's been following me for any length of time knows how much I love this plant. That's Leucobimuria from Flytrap King. It's a hyper vigorous plant. This thing is going to be huge this year. I can't wait to see it. Couple southern pitcher plants, Sarracenia rosea, and then Dixie lace is in between those. I actually put a couple Sarracenia seedlings in this pot as well. And like the adults, like I said, they're doing just fine. There's my big Flava Varrugelii. And then what I call my front porch bog. Covered in snow. Got a couple fly traps in it. A couple Sarracenia, some sphagnum moss in there. This really nice minor. It's looked pretty good all winter. Oh look, the sun's coming out. So all of this is gonna melt immediately. But yeah, happy snow day. And again, we don't get snow very often, so I just always find myself recording when we get some snow. I'm always fascinated by how these plants just muscle right through it, don't even bat an eye. I'll see you guys next time.